Hello, my name is Gladys. I'm the principal of Veeva Property Group. We're a boutique agency based in Drummoyne, servicing the greater inner west area. If you'd like to transact off market, whether you're buying or selling, I may be able to help. Come and have a look at this 2-bedroom apartment I have listed in Dulwich Hill. To organise an inspection, please contact me on 04 88 88 33 82. Come and have a look. Thank you for watching our video. We look forward to meeting you at our private inspections. Please contact me on 04 88 88 33 82. See you then.